What's up? I had eye surgery, so it looks horrifying, but it's fine. I'm good. So, that's why we kept this in 4K, so you can make it really close on my disgusting eyeball. Level 4! Val?
Beyond
Peter?
6 and 8.
That's correct. All of
Oh,
this is
beyond
right.
Peter.
We did this stuff just to practice some weird lightning and following stuff. We did rock, step, triple step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. Hey. Ah, ah, ooh, ah. And that's not like a cool move that you should do all the time, but it's just a bit of practice leading and following these differences between step, steps, and triple steps. So we took those and we actually extended them a little bit and gave them some endings. Ah, 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 ah. Triple step, step, step is one way. And we also did ha, 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 step, step, triple step is another way. Just to make differences. Again, they're not amazing moves, but they're sort of ways to talk to each other differently. So, we did one other thing, which was like a send out. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. The thing that you need to have is we actually need to do a triple step feeling on the end of a send out. And what we find is many people never do. Which would be harmonic. That's how we do it. I think it works, and it makes these things more possible. Okay?